Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 13.1. It is third part of this exercise. Question number 5 is to find prime factorization of 540. Here we see that 540 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. When we find prime factors of 540, it becomes in this way. So we write 2 square multiply 3 to the power 3 multiply 5 to the power 1 or simply 5. So we can say 540 is equal to 2 square multiply 3 cube multiply 5. It is the required form of product of powers of prime factors. Next is prime factorization of 3600. Like this, when we find prime factors of 3600, we find 2 to the power 4 multiply 3 square multiply 5 square. So we write 3600 is equal to 2 to the power 4 multiply 3 square multiply 5 square. It is the required form of product of powers of prime factors. Question number 6 is to simplify. First is 2 multiply 10 cube. Dear students, we need to write in the without exponential form. So we write 2 multiply 10 cube is equal to 2 multiply. We write 10 3 times. 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. It becomes 1000 multiply 2 equal to 2000. Next is 7 square multiply 2 square. 7 square is equal to 7 multiply 7 multiply 2 square equal to 2 multiply 2. It becomes 196. Next is 2 cube multiply 5 is equal to 8 multiply 5 equal to 40. Like this. Next is 3 into 4 to the power 4. So we write 3 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 4 times. It becomes 768. Next is 0 multiply 10 square. When 0 multiplied with any number, it becomes 0. So 0 multiply 10 multiply 10 equal to 0. Next is 5 square multiply 3 cube is equal to, we write 5 2 times and 3 3 times and find product of these numbers. So 675 is the answer. Next is 2 to the power 4 multiply 3 square is equal to 144, and last one is 3 square multiply 10 to the power 4. When we solve it, we find 90,000 is the answer. Question number 7 is to simplify. First is minus 4 to the power 3. When we expand it, we write minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 4. Minus 4 multiply minus 4, it becomes plus 16 multiply minus 4. When we multiply plus into minus, it becomes minus 16 4 ja 64. So minus 64 is the answer. Next is minus 3 multiply minus 2 to the power 3. When we expand it, then we write in this way. So answer becomes 24. Next is minus 3 square multiply minus 5 square. Now we solve it. Minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 5. Here minus 3 multiply minus 3, it becomes 9, and minus 5 multiply minus 5, it becomes 25. 9 multiply 25 is equal to 225. Next is minus 2 cube multiply minus 10 cube. When we solve it, we find minus 8 multiply minus 1000 is equal to 8000. Next is minus 2 square multiply minus 5 square. Here both have same powers, so we take 2 as common and we write base minus 2 multiply minus 5. It becomes plus 10 square is equal to 100. Question number 8. To compare the following numbers, 2.7 multiply 10 to the power 12 and 1.5 multiply 10 to the power 8. Dear students, here we need to find which number is greater. When we solve it, we find 2.7 multiply 10 to the power 4. We write in this way, multiply 10 to the power 8. It becomes 27,000 multiply 10 to the power 8. And here 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Here we find that both have 10 to the power 8, but here other number is 27,000, but here is 1.5. So we write 27,000 is greater than 1.5. Finally, we write 2.7 multiply 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Last question of this exercise is 4 into 10 to the power 14 and 3 into 10 to the power 17. We need to find which number is greater. Now we solve it. Here 4 multiply 10 to the power 14, and when we write here 10 to the power 14 in this form, here 17 is written, so we write 3 into 10 into 10 into 10, or 10 to the power 3 multiply 10 to the power 14. We find 3000 into 10 to the power 14. Here we compare that one number is 4 and other is 3000. So 3000 is greater than 4. Finally we write 3 into 10 to the power 17 is greater than 4 into 10 to the power 14. Dear students, in this way exercise 13.1 is completed. In next video we will discuss next question. Thank you.